It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, November the 5th. I'm Michael Groff. Quite a contrast in our weather forecast on the way. We'll see record temperatures today, in fact, pushing for an all-time November heat record this afternoon. But then, temperatures could be about 35 degrees cooler by Sunday. Along with that transition to the cooler temperatures, we'll see windy conditions and, yes, a chance at some rain, finally. Let's dive in and talk about it. Yesterday, 93 degrees was the afternoon high, 64 the morning low. The normal high, 81, the normal low, 57. So obviously well above those averages. And yes, we're more than 2 inches behind on rainfall for the year. And outside now, here at 7:45 a.m., we've got sunny sky out there sitting at 66 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 41, relative humidity 40%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, it's another warm start to the day. We're mostly in the 60s, even a few 70s on the board. The upper air look shows high pressure as the dominant weather feature here across the southwest. Upper heights between about 590 and 592 decameters today will contribute to record heat, but changes are on the way. And you can see that on the watch warning map. We've got winter storm watches out across parts of the Sierra, over Montana as well, and some red flag warnings in parts of Nevada. Convective outlook for today, no severe weather expected across the country. And the tropics, we still have Eta on the board, now a tropical depression sitting over Honduras, dumping copious amounts of rain there. Devastation from Guatemala through Honduras and Nicaragua with this feature. It is going to turn toward the north eventually, though, as you can see on the official track for the National Hurricane Center. They have it moving back out across the Caribbean as a tropical storm, moving over Cuba on Sunday, then zigzagging back toward Key West by midnight Tuesday morning. The modeling on this kind of all over the place. The tropical models have actually shifted their forecast further to the east. The European ensemble is further to the west. The GFS ensemble kind of right down the middle, kind of a split the difference of the two, with the ensemble mean, the black line, crossing western Cuba and then positioning near Fort Myers early next week. But again, we just don't know. Until this gets back out over the water, we have a better core of this system and models can initialize this better. There's just no way to tell exactly where this is going to go. Just something to watch for the next week or maybe beyond that. All right, as we bring it back closer to home, the precipitation outlook valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix generally between about 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch. Heavier totals, rain and snow across northern Arizona with a very potent system due in here this weekend. And we'll detail it now as we get into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure in control across much of the contiguous United States, including here in the desert southwest. And yeah, those upper heights in excess of 590 decameters, pretty close to a record for this time of the year. And what that means down at the surface is sunny skies this morning. We'll start to see an increase in high clouds by this afternoon, particularly over western Arizona and southeast California. That's not going to slow down the heat all that much, though. Highs this afternoon, we're going with a range of 95 to 98. And the record high for today is 93. Most certainly we will be breaking that. The all-time record for the warmest day in November, 96 degrees, and we are more than likely to break that as well. Tonight, the skies start to turn mostly cloudy with those high clouds coming in, and it'll be very mild. Overnight lows in the 60s to maybe low or even middle 70s in the urban core. And then tomorrow, a lot of mid and high-level clouds around. We'll call it mostly cloudy. High temperatures still manage to get into the upper 80s and low 90s, but you can see the change in the weather pattern on the way. The trough digging down the west coast, heading into the Great Basin. Winds start to pick up out of the southwest late in the day. Then as we get to Saturday, here comes this first wave of the system moving into Arizona. We'll see scattered rain and snow showers over northern Arizona. By about midday to afternoon hours on Saturday, we should start to see a band of showers coming into south central Arizona. They will be more of the hit and miss variety, though, widely scattered showers. Still, I think there's at least a 20% chance we'll get wet here. High temperatures will be much cooler, likely only in the low to mid 70s. In fact, it could be one of those days where we see the high temperature at midnight, and then we spend much of the day, especially the afternoon hours, in the 60s. And it will be windy through the day, too, as southwest winds picking up 10 to 20 miles per hour. Could see gusts well over 30 to 35 miles per hour in Phoenix, higher gusts up north. On Saturday night, that first piece of energy starts to move out of here, but on Sunday, the next piece drops in. I think the morning hours are probably dry for us, partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, but then by the afternoon, scattered to numerous rain and snow showers over northern Arizona, scattered showers here in southern Arizona. Probably not too much in terms of thunder, although this system does have some very cold air aloft, a little less moisture than the first piece of energy, but much better dynamic support. And with that cold core moving overhead, I think we'll see at least a decent chance, about a 40% chance that we'll see some rain here in Phoenix. So high temperatures probably only getting into the mid-60s on Sunday. Now, as we go to Monday, the GFS a little bit slower to move this feature out. I think we at least have a chance of some morning showers on Monday. Still scattered rain and snow over eastern Arizona. High temperatures very cool, low to middle 60s. Will be probably at least 15 to 18 degrees below average on Monday. Now on Tuesday, in the wake of that system, we'll start the day out in the upper 30s in the cooler pockets, low to mid 40s in the urban core. Very chilly start and a rather cool day ahead with highs in the mid 60s. Wednesday, highs upper 60s to near 70 with sunny skies. Maybe an increase in clouds by Wednesday night as another wave begins to move our way. This one probably stays a little bit further to the north, though. Maybe a few showers in northern Arizona as we go to Wednesday night. And then here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 12th of November. One wave moves out. Here comes another wave dropping down the west coast, headed our way. So heights continue to be below average. So temperatures will be below average. And there's Eta. You see Eta's on the board still, just north of the Yucatan, according to the GFS next Thursday. So we could still be talking about that system. Again, we just don't know where that's headed, but just something I thought I'd point out. And then let's go out to 10 days. This is Saturday the 14th. And we still have troughing north of the state, heights a little bit below average, so temperatures will remain below normal, probably after tomorrow through the entire forecast period. So that'll be a nice change of pace for sure. As we check out rainfall off of the GFS ensemble, and the ensemble mean up around 0.4 of an inch. Just about all of the members show at least some precipitation in here this weekend. And heading into middle November, some are picking up on more rain for us as well. Temperatures off the national blend of models. It's got us at 97 today. Certainly, we will break a daily record, maybe the all-time November record, and then about 93 tomorrow or so. But then after that, temperatures well below average all the way through the rest of the forecast period. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there. Stay cool and hydrated. And have yourselves a fantastic Thursday.